Euro Football Weekly is sponsored by bwin.
Welcome to Euro Football Weekly, a show where we take a look at the betting lines for the upcoming European football fixtures. And joining us today to lend us his expert betting advice is Alex from Sport Betting Agency. Alex, welcome to the show.
Hi, Nat.
Now playing on Saturday, Schalke versus Wolfsburg. Last year, Wolfsburg ended the season in 11th place. This year, they're a stronger side, having won 9 so far compared to the 10 games they won all last season. The last head-to-head playing Schalke in August, Wolfsburg were the underdogs, but they beat them 4-0. The difference this time is Schalke have the home advantage, and they are the favourites priced to win at 2.1 with Paddy Power. Wolfsburg are priced at 3.6, and the draw is priced at 3.75, both with Coral. So firstly, any chance of the upset in this match, or even the draw?
From my point of view, no way. I would bet big money on Schalke, even though they have almost the same line of the table in Bundesliga. 31 points for Schalke and 30 points for Wolfsburg. But Schalke started very good this year with a convincing 3-0 win over Hamburg. From the other side, Wolfsburg disappointed in the first match on this year, where they lost home 3-1 with Hanover. As you said, also Schalke will play this match home, and there are no injuries or missing players from this match. We will assist at a great encounter, but at the end the home team will win, and the odd is great right now, but I'm sure it will go down little by little.
Okay, interesting. You said it's always a great encounter when these two teams meet. There's always seems to be a lot of goals as well. The over 2.5 is priced at 1.66, low but understandable. But the over 3 is priced at a reasonable 2.1. Can we see this coming in here?
Yeah, over 2.5 for sure we will see. Even until the half time, we will see a lot of goals. So even if the price for the over 2.5 is low, we can bet over 1.5 goals in the first half at a great odd of 2.5 with Bet365. Is for more aggressive players, of course. Or even over 3.5 goals in the match at an odd of 2.62. But me personally, I would prefer the first choice with over 1.5 goals in the first half.
Okay, so you're taking an aggressive stance on this in this match. You're going for the over 1.5 goals, priced at 2.62. Is that your bet for this match?
No, I'm looking at a different approach. I have a surprise also here. I'm looking at a weird bet for this match that is priced at 4 with Bet365. I will bet that the first goal will take place in the first 10 minutes of the game. I like this bet and I will put a little stake on this. But for safe bets for our clients, I'm looking at over 2.5 as we discussed, and both teams to score, with combo ticket with another match to make a total of 2.2 odds and to bet big. But our main and official bet is Schalke to win and over 2.5 goals in the match at an odd of 2.87 with Bet365.
Okay, very nice odds there. Schalke to win and the over 2.5 goals. Alex is from Sport Betting Agency. If you want more great free tips from Alex, go to Facebook, search Sport Betting Agency and click like. Alex, thanks for joining us.
Thank you for the invitation.